And now you girls are officially IC3 Digital Literacy Masters. How do you feel about this? Who wants to go first? And maybe share your experience with the program.
I think Leila should go first.
Okay, Leila.
Oh, okay. It's been quite a journey. I've learned lots of different things I didn't know before, but now I know. Yeah,
So
I'm happy
things
I
like
passed.
what? Yeah, things like what and what? Can you be specific?
More things about ICT.
Okay. So if you say more things about ICT, what do you mean, and how has that helped you in your journey as a student?
Um, it's helped me improve in.
Oh, Lila, I'm listening.
Okay, so I think I'll let me talk. Okay,
Okay.
so I'm very excited to have finally completed my IC3. Okay, so I feel like doing me doing this course has helped me to understand the basic knowledge of ICT. And even if I'm not like well educated in that particular field of ICT, I can answer just the basic questions like security, collaboration with other like teams and all those stuff. Just the basic stuff of ICT.
Okay.
To suffer.
That's good. And I believe it will also help you in terms of what you're currently
School.
doing, the
Yes.
A-level IT, and Laila will soon be doing her IGCSE, ICT next year. So I'm proud of your achievements. And I think, Layla, I would enroll you on the Microsoft Office Specialist. We'll look at Word Expert, Excel Expert. We'll look at PowerPoint, and we'll look at Access, which has a bearing on the IGCSE. And I think it will do you much good when it comes to the practical aspect of your IGs. Okay. So let's see your transcript. Give me a second. Okay. So now officially, this is your certificate. So Laila, you've passed today, 29th of September, and now you have your Master Credential. So if you happen to have a LinkedIn profile, which I would encourage you to create so that you can at least share your digital badge, okay? And as part of your portfolio, Pamela, for university colleges, you can also do same. So I'll help you set up a LinkedIn profile for that. You've done well, and I must congratulate you. So, Leila, if we look at the breakdown, technology basics, you got it, 86%. I think you need to work on information management. So, learning shouldn't stop, even though you've passed, but I will still encourage you to go through the material when you get a chance. Okay.
Okay.
Then for Pamela also technology basics. So I think content creation is where you are below the standard. But all in all, you've done extremely well, and I'm proud of your achievement. So keep up
Thank
the
you.
good work, be focused, and the whole world is in front of you, and you can achieve anything you put your mind to. Yeah.
Yes,
So
please.
we
Thank you.
meet on Wednesday to continue. So Layla, you need to tell mommy. We need to get the geometrics practice test voucher for the Microsoft Office specialists. We'll be delving deeper into Word Expert, Excel Expert. So that will be our focus for the next couple of months. Then you get certified. Then we come back to the IGCSE, look at the theory. Then by next day, it should be set. I'm expecting an A star from you. Yeah, Pamela. So we'll continue with our A level IT. We start off with the access completed, then work for more practice exercises towards the IT A level. Yeah.
Yes, please.
Bye bye. and have a
I
good
see.
night.
Bye, sir.
Bye.
I see. Thank you very much.
You're
Yes,
welcome.
thank you.